Om everyone. In just one shloka, the entire ocean of Srimad Bhagavatam is captured. One shloka that holds within it the birth of the Supreme, the laughter of the Divine Child, the thunder of His victories, and the sweetness of His love. This is not just history, this is eternal truth. Chanting Ekashloki Bhagavat is like holding the entire Bhagavatam in the palm of your hands. One verse, infinite blessings. One verse, unending devotion. So today, close your eyes, feel the presence of Krishna, and let your heart echo with his Lilamritam. Adau